5 things that you definitely need to know about the Audi RS4-R ABT Sportsline. On the outside, the Audi RS4-R is equipped with an extensive aerodynamic package and is flooded with carbon fiber exterior parts, including the ABT front lip, the ABT front flicks, the ABT front grille frame, and the ABT diffuser. Optional were the wheelhouse ventilation, also known as fender inserts. Not only on the outside, but also on the inside, we see a lot of adaptations by ABT, such as the start-stop button and the shift lever, which are provided with ABT details. Optional is the carbon fiber back of the seat, the dashboard and the steering wheel, which are not included in this demo car. The RS4-R has a multi-stage performance package. This package consists of an additional engine control unit, the ABT engine control, or also known as AEC, an upgraded cooling system with bigger water pump and extra radiator, and a high-performance sport exhaust system. With its 4 102mm carbon fiber tailpipes, it also soars to new heights visually and acoustically. The RS4-R has the same power as the RS5-R, 530 horsepower and 690 Nm of torque instead of the 450 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque of a normal RS4 model, and that makes you even faster than the standard RS6 C7. Within 3.8 seconds you are on the 100, while the RS6 needs 3.9 seconds instead. The RS4-R logo is shown at the ABT front grille frame, the ABT rear diffuser, the door sills, the front seats and the front floor mats. Last but not least, there are only 50 units worldwide made of the Audi RS4-R, and all of them are officially registered by ABT Sportsline in Germany. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know your thoughts about the Audi RS4-R ABT Sportsline. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.